Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In the last video we had finished addition of decimal number. In this video we are going to start with subtraction of decimal numbers. Now how we had done addition, same way we have to do the subtraction also. Placement of the decimal number should be proper. हम जो लिख रहे हैं वो ठीक से होना चाहिए जैसे हमने एडिशन में लिखा था. Then there will be no problem. Like first one, it is given 7.2 minus 1.6. So 7.2 and 1 minus 6. Now from 2 we cannot subtract 6, so we'll borrow from here, so it will become 6. This will become 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, simple. Second one is 9.8 minus 7.25. Now here you have to be careful because here after point only one digit is there, here two digits are there. So 9.8, 7.25. Sorry, we have to do subtraction. So now we have to subtract this 5. So just addition में हम रखते थे 0, we'll put the 0 over here. And now we'll borrow from 8, so it will become 7 and this will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 2 is also 5.9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer comes 2.55. Third one, it's 42.76 minus 36.285. So here two digits, here three digits. जैसे यहाँ पे कैसे one digit and two digits were being there. Here two digits and three digits are there. So the same process. 42.76 and 36.285. So here we'll put 0 because we have to subtract 5 also. So it will become 10. This will become 5. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll borrow. It will become 15. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. We cannot subtract 6 from 2, so it will become 12. Now 12 minus 6 is 6 and 3 minus 3 it is 0. So our answer is 6.475. Fourth one, it's 19.285 minus 0.764. So we'll write 19.285 and 0.764. So we can place over here 0. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. From 2 we cannot subtract 7, so we'll borrow over from here, so it will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8 and 1. So the answer comes, that is 18.521. Fifth one, if you see, it's given 0.9 minus 0.285. Now we have to subtract 0.9. We can write it as 0.9. 0.285 we'll write it as 0.285. And now we'll subtract. But before subtracting, we have to add over here zeros because 3 digits are there. So we have to make it 3 digit. So now we have to borrow from here. So 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. So our answer comes, that is 0.615, or you can say 0.615. Same way, if you see sixth one, it's 0.54 minus 0.267. So we'll mention it as 0.54 and 0.267. to subtract, so 0 will put, it will become 3, 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 6 is not possible, so we'll borrow, it will become 13. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. So our answer comes, that is 0.273. So this is how, student, you have to do it. The remaining sums of question number 1, you will do it by yourself. Now question number 2, it is given with units, as we had done in the last video also with addition. Here it is subtraction. So in that, first one is given, that is rupees 17 minus rupees 2.75. So as we had done in addition, we'll put the rupees sign, 17 rupees sign 2.75. So here also we'll add after point 2 zeros. So from here we have to borrow 6, it will become 9, and here it will be 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 1. So our answer comes rupees 14.25. Same way, second one is given, that is 0.36 liter minus 0.19 liter. So how we'll write? We'll write 0.36 liter minus 0.19 liter. So 6 minus 9 is not possible, so 2, it will come 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer comes 0.17 liter. Like that. Let us see third one. Third one is 20.876 liter minus 1.6 liter. So 20.876 liter and 1.6. See how I am placing the digits now, that you have to see it properly. Here nothing is there, so we can add over here 0. So 6 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2. It will be 10 minus 1, 9, and 1 as it is. So the answer comes 19.200 liter, or you can say 19.2 liter. It is one and the same. Then fourth one, it's given in kg. So it is 36.945 kg minus 5.7 kg. So 36.945 and 5.7 kg. Don't forget to put the unit. 2 zeros we will add. 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3. So our answer comes 31.245. So 4 sums I had done. The remaining sums you have to do it by yourself of question number 1 and 2 of the exercise 3. So in this video, this much only. In the next video, we'll move further in this chapter with the word problems related to decimal, addition and subtraction. So you have to complete your work, the remaining questions of question number 1 and question number 2. It's very simple. Just be careful while writing the numbers and placing the point. जहाँ पे नहीं है, you can put over there 0 as we had done. क्योंकि subtraction है तो 0 compulsory चाहिए. अगर नीचे 3 digit है, ऊपर अगर 2 ही digit है, then the third digit will become the 0. And then you have to do the subtraction as you were doing before. So in this video this much only, student. In the next video we'll move further with exercise 4. So till then, thank you and take care.